Hey guys, Patrick here. Today I'm going to show you how to earn money online without any investment. It's really simple. Just let me tell you something about it. People ask me why I started using TSU network by myself. I answer them if I see a brilliant business idea, I always support it. So what is TSU network? Basically, in short, you get paid for the same thing you do on Facebook or Twitter or the other social medias. Let me explain it to you. We all know how YouTube works. You get paid by ads associated with your videos because you brought here the person who clicked on the ad and you get paid for it. And these advertisements are on Facebook as well, but Facebook gets 100% of the earnings. And here is the big difference between TSU network and Facebook. In TSU network, 900% of the earnings go to the people who created the content and 10% go to TSU network. Compared to Facebook, it's brilliant. How does it work in real? It's all about how many followers and friends you will have. It's the same on YouTube, where it depends on how many subscribers or views you have, and you get paid if someone of your followers click on the ad next to your post, and logically the more posts and followers you have, the more money you earn. On Facebook you don't even know if someone clicked on the ad associated with your post because you don't get paid for it. On TSU networks you will recognize it immediately. You will start with cents, but your earnings are going to grow within a few days. It's not just about followers. If you bring someone to TSU with your shortcode, you will get commission out of him till the level number 4. Let's say TSU network generate $100 thanks to your ad. 10% of the earnings goes to the network, the rest, the $90, goes to the people this way. You earn 50%, that's $45. Next 33% goes to the person who brought you, that's $29.7. 11.1% goes to the person 3 levels above you, that's $10. And the last one will get $3.33. It's really not a spam, and it works. You can sign up for TSU network with link which is also in the description, and you can see it right here. So please sign up there, try this. I think that it really works. I just made I don't know, for $4, but I signed up yesterday, so I hope you like this video. I hope I helped you, and subscribe here on YouTube and follow me on TSU. Here is my nickname, and also register at my link. Here it is. And that's basically everything. If you have some questions, write it down to the comments and I will answer you. You can ask me everything about it, and if you didn't understand me, if you didn't understand everything I said, the text which I said is in the description as well. So see you later.